Good morning, everybody. Yeah, baga. Are you ready to rumble?
Laro kayo tatalon.
Anyway, welcome to 2017 Sports Fest QCRB. Ito kasi ay, it was last year, wala tayong ganito. So, this year, we tried to help this event again para dun sa naging tradition natin before, para dun sa mga bago natin kasamahan na hindi pa nakaka-experience sa Sports Fest kung gano'ng kasaya. Amen?
Amen!
So, hindi ko na patatagalin ito. We have plenty of activities for the whole day. Mainit na, and we have to go on with our activities. So, I'll give the floor to the next program. Again, welcome sa ating 2017 QCRB Sports Fest. Thank you.
Thank you, EBP.
DJ yan.
Ay, tama. Compliance ko.
And now,
Tangina, panalo na.
ito po tayo sa Oath of Sportsmanship to be led by
Led by.
Sir John Reyes.
Okay, good morning. Kinig po ba ako ng lahat? Okay, so pamilyar na po na sa Oath of Sportsmanship, ha? Baka po mamaya ay pag humig ako ng stage your name, ihimik din kayo ng stage your name, ha? Okay, sige po. So, pakitaas po ang kanang kamay na pantay sa inyong balikat at repeat after me. Pangalan nyo, ha? John Frederick Reyes, member of. Okay. Do hereby solemnly swear and agree to abide, adhere, and uphold all conditions, agreements, rules, regulations, and provisions which has been set forth by the organizers of this Sports Fest. As a competitor, I hereby swear and agree to play in the highest form and standards of discipline and sportsmanship. Ang haba, no? No matter if I win or lose, what counts most is how I conduct myself and play my game. In the spirit of belongingness, peace, and community enjoyment. Now I therefore declare to perceive the tenets and precepts of a true sportsman. In word and in deed, so help me God. Amen. Okay, it's Zumba time. Nasa na po yung mga